Hello everyone. So let's see how the day is going to be for all your beautiful YouTube subscribers, and I'm very happy the way the feedbacks are coming and you all are enjoying the reading. So let's just pull out a card. Okay, now this is intuition. I would say go by your intuition and see what your intuition is asking you to do today. Now, if you see the card, the person has closed their eyes. So I would suggest if something comes up today where you feel you are not able to take the right decision, then just close your eyes and just see what your inner mind or your heart is asking you to do, and then go with it. And I also see this ankh symbol over here more. So I would say, if you feel that things around you are not good, then stay protected. If you're traveling, then have a safe trip or a safe travel. Moreover, I feel because this gate is more like, a golden gate, so something good is only coming, and there's nothing hidden or nothing harm which will come. So just go with the flow and work on your intuition and have a blessed day. I feel I should pick one more card. I don't know why, so I'm just pulling. Okay, see, I said just go with the flow. So the universe is saying I am right there waiting for you, and I will do whatever I can do to keep you happy. So just go in that way, and I think the universe will definitely bless you. Have a great day ahead.